Hi, second graders, it's Mrs. Compton, and today we're going to look at this picture behind me, and it says, where's the math? Now, I'm going to step aside in just a second so you can really look at this, but I hope you've noticed that we've got some carrots, and we've got a friend of carrots right here, right? We know that rabbits like to eat carrots, so I put a little rabbit in the carrot patch. So I want you to think right now what you notice and wonder about these things here. So everybody hit pause right now and let's do a little notice and wonder. All right. Did you hit pause? Because I'm back. I never hit pause, but hey, here we are. I hope you did. So I'm going to take some guesses on the things that you may have noticed and wondered about this. So maybe you noticed that we have carrots and that the carrots are orange. I bet you noticed that. And the carrots have 3 little leaves on the top on each and every carrot. So maybe you saw that. And let's see, maybe you thought about, let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carrots in a row. So let's see, 5 carrots in a row. Let's see, do they each have 5 carrots in a row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, so each of them have 5 carrots in a row. So maybe you counted them up and you went 5, 10, 15, and you had 15 carrots altogether. Maybe you actually didn't count the rows though. Did anybody out there count the columns? So let's see. Here's a column. How many are in each column? We've got 3 columns, or excuse me, we've got 3 carrots in a column. And let's see, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So how many columns did we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. And we had 3 carrots in each of the 5 columns. Did anyone realize that? Let's count by 3s. Are you ready? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So we still have 15 carrots. Did anyone count the number of leaves? So we know that every single carrot has 3 leaves, right? Did anybody sit and count all of the leaves? We know we have 15 carrots, right? So 15 carrots and each of them has 3 leaves. I wonder if we could figure that out. Let's see. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. If we counted each of the leaves, there would be 15 leaves in each row. So if this row has 15 leaves, then this row has 15 leaves. And this row has 15 leaves. Now it's probably easier to figure out how many leaves there are. I'm going to take some guesses. I'm going to guess that some of you did 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. And I'm going to guess you did another 5 and a 5 makes another 10. So we're at 40. And 5 more makes 45 leaves. Did anybody do that? Did anyone pretend that the rabbit ate some carrots? Because we know rabbits like to eat carrots, right? So we know we have 15 carrots, and maybe that rabbit's going to pick some carrots out and eat some carrots for dinner. Who knows, you guys? Let's find out what our story is today. Our story is about the lovely Mrs. Ibrahim from Robinson, science specialist. And we know our science specialists plant gardens and they work on growing food, right? So we have in this story flower garden. Mrs. Ibrahim planted rows of flowers. Okay, so imagine Mrs. Ibrahim planting rows of flowers. Each row had flowers. Oh my goodness, look what happens next. Her dog is going to eat some of the flowers. Now, if you've ever had a puppy, you know this is a real thing that could happen, right? Then her dog ate of the flowers. How many flowers were left? All right, I think I need to read this again, but I want to see my number sets in there and read it with the picture in my mind. So let's check out our number sets. We've got 7, 5, and 12. We've got 10, 8, and 23. We've got 11, 9, and 37. And let's pick one. Let's make a Post-it note. You guys, I think let's just start with this one. 7. So Mrs. Ibrahim planted 7 rows of flowers. Each row had 5 flowers. Then her dog ate 12 flowers. Mrs. Ibrahim, were you mad at your dog when your dog ate the flowers in your garden? Hopefully you didn't get in too much trouble, right? All right, so let's check it out. Let's really imagine the story in our minds as we read. Okay, Mrs. Ibrahim planted 7 rows of flowers. Okay, so imagine 7 rows of flowers. It's a lot of rows. Each row had 5 flowers. Okay, so put 5 flowers in each row. Then her dog ate 12 flowers. Okay, we're trying to figure out how many flowers are left. So she planted some flowers, the flowers grew, dog ate some. Oh man. All right, kids, this one's up to you. I need you to make sure you have your math tools. Maybe it's tools like this, or maybe it's a tool like this. Grab your stuff, grab your pencil, grab your dog, make sure it doesn't eat the flowers in your garden. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.